Brody! Uh-oh. Brody! Are you having fun in your ball pit? Catch! 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 Okay, Brody. Up. Oh, gotcha! Brody! It's like a little... Boo! Brody! Catch! Catch! Oh, gotcha! 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 Charlie. Gotcha! He's like, ooh, maybe I can throw up there. Gotcha! Oh, sorry. Brody. Gotcha.
Oh God, Mommy's trying to kill you with the balls. Just rolling around in the balls.
Gotcha.
Get your feet. Get your feet. Get your feet.
Brody. Catch. Oops, I'm in. He loves it. Say hi, Brody. Say thank you, Aunt Vanessa, for this wonderful ball pit.